Born in the underground of Newark, now witness the birth of Mr. Funky.
Yo, yo, yo! Welcome everybody, this is The Funk Show, where we merge entertainment art with real life. I'm your host with the most, Citizen Charlie King, aka Tigerverse Crane, aka CCK, aka the most popular dude in the world, aka Strike 'em Out Looking. In today's episode, y'all, I want to introduce y'all to a segment we like to call CGT. And that stands for Confidence Gain Training. See, everybody always talks about losing weight, but I stay seeing fine, banging, beautiful, big girls out there with much swag and confidence, you know what I mean? But then you got the laws of attraction and the power in words thing. So we flipped, bounced, shedded losing weight, and we just swapped it with confidence gain, pop the collar. You know what I mean? We're trying to gain confidence, not lose weight. That's right, folks, y'all heard it here first. Confidence gain, and like Stephen Colbert would say, the goal, have fun, be active, be creative. And if you shed a few pounds in the process as a byproduct, we'll take that. But being fit and healthy, gaining confidence, that's what we focusing on here. We merging entertainment with real life results. CGT, Confidence Gain Training. Okay, so check it. Friend of mine from college named Aaron Beasley at West by God University, West Virginia. You know, Big 12, we coming. Bet me that the Thunder will win, and I took the Spurs yesterday on June 6, 2012. The wager was I had to pay up 50 two-finger Shaolin style push-ups. But after doing one of them, man, I almost broke my fingers, y'all. So I got an agreement with him to double up. I'll give him 100 normal push-ups instead of the 50 Shaolin two-finger style. So without further ado, without further delay, let's get it underway. Gain confidence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. Woo! Get buff, get buff, get buff, get buff, get buff, get buff. Yeah. Hey, Bees, I'm gonna bust back. I'm gonna get you back. And viewers, thank you for watching the first episode of The Funk Show. I'm your host, Citizen Charlie King. Thank you very much. We out. Shing.
Yeah. Born in the underground of Newark, now witness the birth of Mr. Funky.
Prepare for the terror. It's the return of